Hey guys, this is Dev Taneja and I'm the founder of unjob.ai, India's only and the fastest growing freelance marketplace in the world. So I've been getting a lot of questions lately on Instagram, on my personal phone number in the middle of the night, and even on emails that how do unjob.ai make sure that you guys get paid. So listen to me. Okay, this is going to be an extremely important video. We are going to cover how to actually accept payments through the clients and avoid scams. Because as the platform grows, there are a lot of bad elements in the society that tries to scam innocent people, and we want to avoid that also. That was the whole purpose of making a job, to avoid scams in the freelance transactions. So first, we will understand that there are three types of main jobs on the platform. One is a full-time job, second is an internship, and the third is a freelance project. So on the first two, that is the full-time job and the internship, we do not take any personal guarantee that you will be paid, because a company is hiring you based on your performance and it's going to hire you for the next 30, 40, 60 or maybe 90 days. You are going to personally serve the company, and there are not going to be any fixed deliverables that we can guarantee that have been completed. On the other hand, when you accept a freelance project on a job, there are fixed deliverables that I want to edit 5 reels, or I want to edit 10 UI UX pages, okay, or I want to have a website made with 3 landing pages and 2 customer support pages. I'm just giving you an example. So these deliverables are fixed. So in these cases, we can take a guarantee, but only if the freelancer accepts the payment through Unjob. So see, when you accept freelance projects, there are mostly two kind of projects. One is a service project and the second is a job project. What's the difference? Service project is what you guys list in your profile. Let's say I have listed in my profile that I edit reels for 500 rupees. Or whenever you share your Unjob profile in your Instagram bio or your LinkedIn bio, and a client comes in and books you directly from here, in that case, we take full guarantee of the work, because the payment directly comes through Unjob, and once the work is completed, you can withdraw it from your wallet. But in the case of freelance projects that have been listed by the clients in the job section, you have to be a little careful about it, because there are many companies that are listing projects and then they initiate the chat. In that chat, many freelancers often ask the companies to pay advance via Google Pay, Phone Pay, or their personal information or their personal bank accounts. Even the client cannot say this, that I will pay you after the work is done. So now you get it that you never have to share your personal information like social media links, phone numbers, email IDs, or even your financial information like your UPI IDs, bank account details on chat to anyone, because the client pays 100% advance to Unjob, and Unjob pays to the freelancer, that is you, once the work is done. So I will show you via my screen. So see, this is a hiring account. You can see I have posted 18 jobs right now. Many are freelance, there are full-time jobs, there are internships, and you can see I have posted this freelance project, that is I want a video editor to edit a reel. Now there are 13 applicants on this. Now I can open it, check manage applications. This is from the hiring side. I'm telling you how it works. So now the client can see multiple applications. Now if I want to judge a profile, let's say I want to check Vibhav Patel. So I can open his profile. I can see that he has only uploaded 3 videos, out of which there are only 2 videos that are good. One is a bad thumbnail. So I will not hire him. Okay. Maybe I can try Aditya for this. Aditya has 5 posts. He has even made his portfolio, and he has also listed his services. Now I know that Aditya is serious about working on Unjob. So I can hire him via Unjob. So let's say, in this case, to show you guys how the payments actually work, I will apply from another freelancer account. So let me open. This is my freelancer account. You can see my earnings and everything here. Now I will go to the job section. Okay. I will click on apply. Done. Now I have applied to the project, like you guys must have already done. Now you see the client has received one more application. they have received my application. I can see my profile. I have got 31 posts. So like I'm very active on Unjob, obviously. So now let's say that the client wants to proceed ahead with hiring this profile of Dev Taneja as a freelancer. So he might have some questions, right? Whether you are a good fit for my role or whether you can actually work according to what is needed. So now I can ask the freelancer from the client's account ki, hi, can you make this kind of reel? The freelancer might say, or you might say ki, yes, I can, or no, I cannot. It depends on your say. You can see the project status here that the project has not yet started. So until the project status changes, you should never start work, because the client has to pay in advance to start the project. And once the client pays in advance, now it becomes Unjob's responsibility to get you the payment you deserve and get the client the deliverables or the work he wanted. Now see, from the hiring side, you can see there are two options, the option to approve and the option to reject. I can also negotiate from here if I want. Okay, but let's say I do not want to negotiate. I want to go with the original price of 500 rupees. I can, if I want to approve the freelancer, I will click here on the tick option. I will click with start with payment. Now the client will pay in advance to Unjob. So I've paid 500 rupees to Free Flow Technologies Private Limited, that is unjob.ai. Okay, so the payment has been successful. Once the payment is successful, now you can see that the payment of 500 rupees has been completed. The project officially starts now. The project status has changed from not started to in progress. Yeah. On the freelancer side too, you can see that the payment of 500 rupees has been completed. This project officially starts now and the project status has been updated to in progress. Now, if I want to complete the project, okay, now the project has started and we have taken the guarantee that your payment will be completed if the deliverables have been met as per the expectations. Now that the project is in progress, now unjob.ai has received your payment and is totally safe with us. Okay, once the project will be completed and marked as approved, we will transfer the payment minus commission directly to your account. So if you want to complete the project or if you want to submit the project, you can click on submit project and you can add the title, whatever it is. You can add the description. I'm just typing anything right now. You can upload the project file. Let's say I want to upload this file as my project and I've submitted. Now the client can see that you have submitted the project. The client can review the project and the client can actually approve the project. Yeah. Now the client has approved the project and the project has been marked as completed. You can see the project has been approved. You can check your dashboard in your applications that the project of 500 rupees has been completed and it has been accepted. Now you will see the 500 rupees in your payments tab and now you can withdraw it. For the withdrawal process, there is a separate video as it is getting very long. You can check out the withdrawal process tutorial from your dashboard. That's all from my side. Have a good day. Avoid scams, avoid sharing your personal information, avoid sharing your financial information. If a client asks you for your phone number or for any kind of Google Pay or financial information, ask them that they have to pay via Unjob only. Okay? Thank you so much for coming. Have a good day.